Hello, I'm Jessica Keeney, and I am going to teach you to paint Santa's bag with presents in watercolor today. So the goal is that twice a month I will put a tutorial such as this on YouTube and on Patreon. And on YouTube the videos are free. On Patreon you can get a copy of the outline, the reference photo, the supply list, and the brief step-by-step instructions. They're not detailed, but just so that you can kind of follow along. And then 2 times a month put a class up on Teachable, which will be a little bit more in depth. So you're going to hear my husband and my son throughout the video. Sorry, couldn't help it. I will try to edit them out as best I can. And there were 2 colors that I didn't end up using that I put in my palette, and that's yellow and brown. When I record these, it's the first take of the painting most of the time, so basically I'm just going to town on it, and I don't always end up using all of the colors that I thought I was going to. Hope you enjoy. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment if you would, and links to my Patreon and my social media will be down in the description, as will be a link to my Teachable. Enjoy! I have my watercolor paper cut down to 8 by 10 because that's a standard frame size, and I have it taped to my tracing table, and I am tracing my outline. So trace or sketch your outline lightly on your watercolor paper, and if I haven't already apologized, I will apologize for the noise that you'll probably hear in the background. My husband and son are milling about, and try as I might to keep the background noise at a minimum, it just doesn't work.